Assalamu alaikum, Nadeem Naik, Straight Talks United Kashmir. It's May the 4th, 2021. This weekly protest for the Kashmiri nation held under siege by the Indian government, continuing since March of 2019. And this will not stop. Prime Minister Modi cannot get away for the horrific crimes being committed by caging the people of Kashmir. Kashmir has to become an independent nation. Kashmir should become an independent nation, and the struggle is on. And this is one of the struggles that I appear here every Friday. Behind me, as you know, is the Indian Consulate building. And this is a constant reminder to the Indian government that we shall not forfeit our right for the independence of the Kashmiri nation. There are Security Council resolutions, United Nations resolutions, everybody knows that. If you have ever been watching these YouTube appearances here. We all need to come together and become decent by helping the Kashmiri nation to become free and independent. I will not rest and I will not stop until Kashmir is free. So my brothers and sisters and peace lovers all over the world, as a peace activist, I come here and I urge each one of you to stop the Holocaust of the Kashmiri nation by the Indian government since August 14, 1947. They rape the women, they kidnap the children, and they blind people's eye over there. How would you feel if you were to be caged like this? And this has been going on for 73 long years. Enough is enough. This Holocaust of the Indian government of my Kashmiri nation must stop now. Join me and let's do something for the Kashmiri nation to become free and independent. And as usual, I'll show you. I have this here. I know you see this backward because the way this camera records it. India stopped genocide in Kashmir. And the other one is, I will keep calm when my Kashmir is free, and free Kashmir now. So the continuous movement is on and of liberation. So we will not stop. Show you here the Indian Consulate. This is, as you can tell, which I always say, it is the tombstone of the Indian Consulate, and the building, as everyone is familiar with. So I will continue to protest, I'll continue to appear and demand the freedom of the Kashmiri nation. So my peace activists all over the world and brothers and sisters, we must not stop and we must continue to struggle to liberate Kashmiri nation. And we will, one day, we will all witness that Kashmir will become free and independent. So help us and let us get freedom. Thank you so much, and spread this word. God bless.